This class is the Maritime Welding Program, which is offered to the dual enrollment students. This is created to get them a certificate from a college as well as their diploma at the same time. In addition, they will get certified as a welder, which will help them enter the workplace easier. This program is designed for primarily juniors because it takes 3 semesters to complete. You'll have your Welding 1, Welding 2 as a junior, then you have Welding 3 as a senior.
I saw a commercial about the employment rate for welders right now is very low, so it's a good opportunity for me to get a job, and I saw how the pay was and how far I could get with it, and I decided to take the class.
The goal is to introduce them to the industry and all of the tools that are going to be used in the field. A lot of the students maybe preparing metal using a grinder, a hand grinder, an angle grinder. You may have seen them using a bench grinder. They're using the welding machines.
Everything is hands-on, like literally everything. We have tests every now and then, but mostly everything's hands-on. Being in the shop, you really get that hands-on experience. So when you do get to a job, it's just second nature at that point.
As a high school student, you should take this class because it's being offered to you, one, at a reduced cost of what it would normally cost a regular college student to take this class. I have a lot of students who will come back and tell me it's not always welding. The welding may have just opened the door for them to get into another career. They learned how to weld here, but now they drive tugboats. Got people who work at the shipyards who were welders, but now they build the scaffolding that goes around the ships. And then we have welders that go from here straight into the apprenticeship. So you have people who are 18 and they're already starting a career that'll be very rewarding for them.